What's going on, guys? Roman the Roamer. In this video, I'm going to talk about my sales goal for 2019.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking Well Show.
We're not even talking about 2020 yet because my ego is still attached to 2019 sales goal. It's December 31st, 2019 right now, and my sales are not at 500,000, and that was my sales goal. However, at the end of October, my sales were at 300,000. That meant I had to hit 100,000 in November and 100,000 in December. My account got shut down halfway through October. October 13th or 14th was when it was no longer active because of a counterfeit book claim from a law firm somewhere in Maryland. They said 7 of my books were counterfeit. Who knows if they were or not? I don't think they were, but they said they were fake. Amazon shut my account down and didn't receive any Amazon payouts for 2.5 months. I kept growing my business. Did not lay any of my employees off. Had 8 employees, granted they're part-time, so it's really like 2 to 3 full-time employees listing books for me. But yeah, I got kicked in the nuts hard as shit by Jeff Bezos. Okay? And it sucked. So I'm giving myself a month and a half in 2020 to reach my 500K sales goal. I know it's bullshit, but I'm gonna do it. They say if you're not cheating, you're not trying. Now, I don't think this is cheating. Granted, as a bookseller, the biggest seasons are January and August, textbook seasons. So I am getting 3 textbook seasons, which is kind of not fair. But I want it to be known that I did more in September. I did just as much in October. I was on pace to do more in October than in September. And October for textbook sellers is supposed to be complete ass. And I'm moving towards media, so that's why October was getting better, and I was repricing aggressively as shit. But yeah, just let it be known that it wasn't like all my sales happened in January and August and the rest of the year was like this. June was pretty bad, but my point is textbook season August was like this, September was like this, and October was still like that. So we were on pace. I had faith we were going to do 100K in November and December. My mentor, Caleb Roth, said I was full of shit, the book flipper. And I owe him a steak dinner because of it. But I'm still alive. Unfortunately, I'm not on food stamps. Probably should have applied for them. But I'm back. Revenue's starting to kick back in. Inventory's getting back up there. We still have thousands of units to ship out. We had to dispose everything back to Nashville. Go watch my video about that. I talk all about it. It's called My Amazon Account Got Suspended. My virtual assistant made a badass thumbnail for that. I think it's like me. It's me looking all sad with like a big, it's like the Amazon smiley face upside down. I didn't ask him to do any of it. He pimped it out. But yeah, so my sales goal, this is still 500,000. You know, I'm cheating to hit it, but the way I look at it, that sales goal was intended to be 12 months of sales, not 10 and a half. So I'm giving myself, I mean, really I should give myself 2.5 months, but I just know January and February are going to be huge. I'll give myself, how about this? Let's give myself to the end of February, and then if I don't hit it then, call me on my bullshit, but I'm going to hit 100K in January and February, and that will put me at my 500K sales goal. I know it's bullshit. I know it is. Like, I just feel like fucking tard cake saying it, but I'm competitive, and I have to do this for myself. More importantly, I got to sit down and make some 2020 sales goals, travel goals as well. I have the number of 5 countries in my head, but maybe I should shoot for more. But then again, like when it comes to countries, I could go to Europe and do like 15 countries. Or I could go to Australia. That's only 1 country, you know. So I don't know if I want to quantify my travel by how many countries I go to. I don't think it's good to look at travel that way. Just like it's really not that great to look at Amazon sales as the best, you know, metric to set your goals for. I made an Instagram post a while back What do you guys think about, my bank account balance being the goal? And of course, this is a stretch. Once I have a lot of money in my bank account, it's going to be smarter to take that money and invest it other places. But it gets your brain thinking the right way. We should care more about profit in business than we care about sales numbers. Sales numbers are sexy, to screenshot, post on Instagram, show your friends, show the girls at the club. Girls at the club never know what the sales numbers mean. I have to explain it to them, and then they always get turned off and walk away. So guys, don't show girls sales numbers at clubs. They just look at like a fucking bar graph. That's what it is. Okay? Doesn't work as much as I would like it to. Learn salsa dancing or something. That works way better. Anyway, guys, just wanted to update you on that. Hope you enjoy this content. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos this far into them. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Peace out. Much love, family.
Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential. And money speaks, then I'm the main act.